My hair is wet, raining outside. Perfect day to show you how to use the Dyson Airwrap. So I was gifted a Dyson Airwrap, and while I was very grateful, at first I thought, do I need it? Because I already have 10 hot tools in my bathroom cupboard. But then I tried it. So I just want to tell you quickly before I show you how to style my hair that there are only 3 buttons that you need to worry about. Well, there's 4, but I'll tell you about these 3 to start off with. There is the button that turns it on. There is a temperature control button from warm, only 150 degrees Celsius. You'll read in my post. If you click on the post, you can read all the details. It only goes to 150 degrees Celsius because it protects the health of your hair. And then there's the cool shot button that you would use after styling to set your curl. The one at the back here just releases the different heads. So when you want to change the head on the tool, you can actually use it to release this little button. So I'm going to show you now how quickly it is to style my damp hair. I've just been caught in the rain, I'm going to a meeting, and I want to make it look smooth and polished again. So watch this. So the next part of my hair, or the next attachment that I use, is my fringe, and I hate it when my fringe is curly because I've got a curtain fringe and it needs to sort of just fall either side of my face. So you turn it on, brush attachment, and you literally go through the sections of your hair like you would your brush. Okay, so now we're at the curling part. So you switch over the barrel. Now, the key to this is that these arrows that are on the barrel need to be facing you. And this is the trickiest part out of cracking this Airwrap. So these need to face you. Now, forget about what you've always done with a hot tool. You do not need to wrap your hair around it. The Canada effect in this tool actually holds, wraps, and curls your hair. So it's a really clever technology. So I'll show you how it works, and it does take some time to get used to. Move the Dyson in and out like that, it wraps the hair, and then it releases. And you can see the curl already. And it catches the hair, so it's hands-free. You've got to remember that. It's just a new way of thinking about styling your hair. So that's how easy it is, soft, bouncy curl. The one thing I didn't mention before is that your hair has to be damp to use this. You cannot use this Dyson on dry hair. So I'll show you, I'll quickly speed it up and do the other side. And voila, that's taken me about 5 minutes to go from damp hair that was frizzy to smooth hair with a bit of wave, which is how I like to wear it. Finishing touches, a little bit of serum to make sure that the old moisture doesn't get back in there and cause any more frizz. So this is why, if you're busy like me, you need a Dyson Airwrap. So if you like what you see, subscribe and you can get more beauty tips from Beauty EQ.